Hi everybody, I'm Natalie with Missouri Star Quilt Company, and today on Embroidery 101 we're going to learn the leaf stitch. This is one of those stitches that I think is really great. It looks fancy, it makes your leaves look really full and textured. Super fun to do. I promise you're gonna like it. All right, so to get started, you're gonna start about, I don't know, a third of the way down in your leaf, having obviously a knot in the thread. You go up to the point, and then you're going to start overlapping your stitches. So you start at the bottom, you bring your needle back up, just a little bit below where you started, and then we're going to go side to side. So we'll go to the right first, then we'll come down over here, coming just a little bit to the right of where that thread ended, and we're going to pull it up on the left. So what this does is it's going to create like a woven look as these threads then overlap. Okay, so let's show you again real close up and get you a better view of what we're looking at. So as I've been going along, I've been starting in the middle and going out, just like so. But I want to show you that you can also start from the outside edge here and go in to the other side. You can continue to overlap as you go down. Just like this. We're going to come back up there and we're going to overlap them. All you have to do is make sure that the points in the middle overlap. It's almost like a braid. And it just creates that really beautiful sort of vein look to the leaf right down the middle. Oops. Just going to put that thread right where I want it. All right, I'm going to show you this project. This really beautiful floral arrangement that I've showed you in other videos. We use the leaf stitch on these leaves, and you can see right in the middle how it appears to have like a little bit of like a woven center, or just sort of like a leafy vein. It looks really pretty. They come together really nicely. You can see it also on this one that I've completed. It creates that center line where the threads overlap. If you enjoyed this video, there's lots more where that came from. I have a whole channel called Embroidery 101 where I teach you what you need to know to get started, and also give you tons of tips and ideas to refresh your memory and help you to advance in your embroidery journey. So click the link below, and I hope you enjoy. Happy stitching!